Hello, everyone. Welcome to Coder Tech Telugu, where we bring you exciting tech tutorials and coding projects. And today we have a fantastic project lined up for you. We are going to create a stunning 3D flip birthday card using JavaScript, Party Popper calendar. Let's dive right in. First, we'll set up the HTML structure for our card. Open your code editor and create a new HTML file. Here's the basic code you'll need. In the HTML, we create a div with a class of card. Inside this div, we have two child divs, one for the front and one for the back of the card. The front side will show the cover image or text, and the back side will display your birthday message. Next, let's style our card with some CSS to create that awesome 3D flip effect. Add these styles to your CSS file. Add these styles to your CSS file.
On the clock, put me on top, everybody drop.
Take a look at the final product, a 3D flip birthday card that reveals a heartfelt message when you hover over it. It's a great way to add a touch of magic to your birthday greetings. Finally, let's add a touch of JavaScript. While most of the magic happens in CSS, JavaScript can help us manage more complex interactions if needed. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Coder Tech Telugu for more exciting tech content and coding tutorials. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and happy coding!